Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about PixelFlow. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.